Hi, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer ClickFunnels funnel into FGFunnels. So you have to go to your dashboard and look for that funnel that you would like to transfer to FGFunnels. And in this case, let's transfer Share Funnel, this first one, Share Funnel Adventure SLO template. Okay. What I'm gonna do is just copy this title and then go to FGFunnels, look for funnels, click funnels, alright, and then click new funnel, this button right here, and then let's paste what we have copied in the ClickFunnels screen. That's the okay, and then yeah, so I just copied it, right? We haven't started copying the steps yet. So click create funnel, and now we're here. We can add the steps. So the first step we're going to add is click add new step first. So let's get a name of the page. So squeeze page. What I usually do is just squeeze page, and then don't mind the path. What we need is the ClickFunnels URL. So go back, and then let's get that URL. Click copy. Alright, paste it here, and then just tick the box confirming that you either own the page or that you have permission to use it, and then click create funnel step. So now it's importing. Alright, so you can see the elements have been copied too. Click save. Now let's click back. See this arrow right here? Alright, it's there. Let's add a new step. Let's copy it from ClickFunnels. Here's the format you see is right there. It has been copied totally. Add new step, name for page. So we're on step 2. Let's go here, sales page. You know what? I'm not gonna type it now. I'm just going to copy this and paste. Then the link URL. Put it to ClickFunnels URL here. Then again, tick the box. Then click create funnel step. Now it's importing. Sometimes when the page is kind of big, like it's kind of a complex page, it would take the importing kind of a bit longer than all the other pages. So you have to wait for a bit. It's kind of big page really. It's our sales page, so it's still importing. We have to wait for it. Alright, that's good. Loading now. Oh, even the loading also takes... Okay, there it is. And then click save. You see the elements are likewise here. Okay, let's go back. Now, what step are we? We're in the order form. Add new step, paste it, URL. So it's just basically the same process over and over. Just have to copy and paste, create funnel step, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish what I have started. You may feel free and just watch until this ends, but I'm going to stop recording my voice from here because well, yeah, this is just the entire process. It just repeats. All right, thank you.